Hi guys, cooking Grandad style often has nothing to do with cooking. This is one of them. Especially for Frankie this, because I know he doesn't like butter on his bread. Well, I suppose technically this isn't butter. Half the saturated fat of butter, but he doesn't like anything on his bread, so tough Frankie. This one's going to have some on it. A couple of slices of bread. That away. Now, if we want to get technical, it's best to do this on a flat surface. But my cooking Grandad style videos are just for fun. We're not being technical, perfect, careful. We're actually making ourselves a lunchtime snack. And I would be boiling the kettle at the same time, but that would make too much noise. So, what we have today, Maribel raspberry conserve. Sounds fancy. I think it was probably from Lidl. Right, if we want to be really smart, we don't use the same knife. In fact, you might even use a spoon to get this out, because it is a bit runny, this one. There we go, slop it over. So we've used up 2 knives, just for the sake of the video, because we wouldn't have bothered normally. Okay. And if we want to be really delicate, we can cut it into 4. There we are. There's a piece of artwork for you. Don't suppose I'll get any offers of sponsorship from those 2 companies. Oh, I suppose I ought to eat one. I do rather like raspberry. In fact, it's lovely. But you can't talk with your mouth full, can you? Anyway, there you go. Job done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.